Hey everyone, welcome back to Stumper One video. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, all that fun stuff. Here is something that I wanted to do and shoot a video on my Acura MDX that now, after I've looked at it, I'm not going to do it. I was going to update the bulbs on my vehicle here, my high beam ones for my vehicle, for this 2013 Acura MDX. But in order to access the bulbs, I went and looked at a few owner's manuals. There is so much to take off on this thing in order to get access to the bulbs. This one side here, where the battery is at, again, high beams, 9005 bulbs, I can remove the battery and access it here. Every other video tells you to remove this cover, get the bumper off, get the headlight assembly out in order to change out the bulbs. That is not including the high intensity discharge bulbs that your daytime, or sorry, your regular headlights, not your daytime running lights, but your regular normal driving at night, not your high beams, your low beam ones. The other side, I thought, well, if I can get my hand in here, on the driver's side, I can get my hand on that side. Who designs this stuff? You got to remove, if you want to, sorry about the light there, if you want to get to the passenger side high beam 9005, you need to remove the washer fluid tank, the power steering pump reservoir. The air conditioning lines are in the way. There is a main wiring harness or something there as well. There's a big fender cross member doohickey thingy that's coming across as well. I would be on this thing, and then just by looking, you got to remove inner fender liner. You got to remove parts of the bumper, the grille, and everything in order to remove the headlight assembly to get to the bulb. No. How about no? I am not doing that. Like, I wish I would have brought my other light out here with me. Unfortunately, I didn't. But there is absolutely no access to here. I can't get my hand down inside here. There is just no way. This side here, I can try. I can touch it, but I can't twist it. Come on, Acura, do better. I will not be changing out my 9005s from my halogens to a set of LEDs. That's it. That's all I got on my Acura MDX. That's the one thing that I'm annoyed with on this vehicle. Other than the number 5 spark plug, which was really also a pain in the butt because it's on the backside against firewall. Check my video on that too. That's it. That's my rant for today. Thanks for watching. If you do have to change these bulbs out, good luck. Either you find somebody to do it for you, or you take your time. I could do it. I don't want to do it. Or you take it to a dealer, and then you're going to be paying, unfortunately. Cheers. That's my rant. It's grinding my gears.